Hi guys, Shara here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great, and this is a video about I am gonna reporting this beautiful variegation version of Philodendron. This plant is so beautiful and one of the most popular plant in my channel and also among the planters. I'm not sure that you guys recognize this plant that I got in January, and now it's July, and within this 7 months they grow as crazy, they are just keep shooting new leaf all the time. Really impressive, and at the same time they are so easy care, so that I am so definitely recommend to have one of this plant in your collection. But sadly, a few weeks ago my plant got attacked by spider mite, and some of the leaf still have this brown spot. Do you see? If you see them look very closer, a lot of new what's that called, like brown spot and back too. Do you see? And if you see from the back side, you can even see them clearly. Do you see? A lot of, and also on this leaf, yes. And this beautiful reversing leaf. Do you see this? So that was happened by spider mite attacks. If you see the spider mite sign, you should take action very quickly on time, or else they can kill your plant. So that we don't want. And I also have made the spider mite problem and how to solve them, how to kill them, how and what is the prevention. All of these tips and tricks. If you wanted to see that video, please check it out up here, and I can also link you down below. Okay, and mainly in this video I am gonna make repotting for this beautiful plant. So look at the pot is very small. Let me see. This is 10.5 centimeter diameter pot. Okay, and this is quite small for this big plant. As I said, this plant is like keep growing all the time, so that this is definitely time to repot your plant. They don't have enough space for it anymore, so that I am gonna show you inside before I made a repotting and how is the root bound going on. So if you wanted to check the root bound, you just gently squeeze it. Oh my god, look at this. This is so crazy. Oh wow, this is really beautiful root bound for this small plant. Yes, and the soil is very moist, and I'm so sure that they use the pea moss to keep the soil moist. Before I make the repotting, first I want to talk a little bit about what kind of pot you should choose for your philodendron. Okay, so this is, I got a terracotta pot and I got it from IKEA. They are so cheap anyway. And this is a plastic pot. Okay, so these two different pot is the most convenient, and almost every planter has it. So I wanted to talk a little bit about terracotta pot. Why should I choose, or why shouldn't I choose for the philodendron? Okay, so the terracotta pot is made by clay, and when you water this terracotta pot, they release the water out the how can I explain? They absorb the water out quickly, so that they make the soil very dry fast. They cannot maintain the moisture for a long time. Okay, and in the other hand, plastic pot, they can maintain moisture most of the time. Okay, so that this terracotta pot is really good for like a rye family, like a Monstera deliciosa, because those kind of plants, they like their soil to be dry most of the time than moist. Okay, but in the other hand, plastic pot, they keep the soil moist most of the time, and the water doesn't dry out so fast. Okay, so this is the two different about this terracotta and plastic. Okay, so if I talk about this philodendron, what kind of soil do they prefer, okay? So philodendron, they like their soil to be moist all the time rather than dry. In this case, I am totally recommend to use the plastic pot. This is going to be the best choice for your philodendron, and they will be very healthy, and they will really appreciate for your good choice. I can say it. This is how I'm gonna do. All you have to do is just get rid of all this this old soil, very gentle. They use the pea moss to keep the soil moist, but today I don't have a pea moss with me, so I am just gonna use the normal potting soil, which is totally fine too. Okay, so just make it, yeah, they're just so like airy, bouncy. I am planning to separate this this is 3 plants in here. If you see it, this is one here, and this is one here, one right here, and this is the main third one, okay? And I am gonna separate this one, and I am gonna give as a gift to my sister-in-law. And yeah, so to separate the root, you just have to be really be careful not to break it, because they are so delicate. Okay, so I'm just gonna release down here first. The roots are kind of hanging each other, so that is a little bit difficult. So here I got one, and I'm gonna give this to my sister-in-law as a gift. Yes, so, and this too is going back to the pot. And I'm gonna use this pot, okay? And that was the original pot, and this is the pot that I'm gonna use, so that they are a little bit just wider, okay, not that big. Okay, so if you use very big, like a big pot, then you might risk of root rot for your plant, because if you use big pot, you have to put a lot of soil in it, so that when you water, all the water suck it in, so that it contains so much water in there for this small root, which means, you know, you are risking of root rot problem. So that you don't want to, you should not use the like a very big pot than original pot when you make a repotting, okay? This is the potting, normal potting soil, and they are very moist and very good nutrition. Yes, so perfect. And now I'm just gonna drop it in. And this leaf is a kind of bad, so I can just get rid of here. Yes, done. There you go. Beautiful. So there you go. I'm done with repotting. How gorgeous it is. Yes, now they got a much more better space to grow, and they're gonna be giant plant in a few more months. Before I am ending this, I want to give you a little bit tips about how to taking care of this plant. So the main thing is sunlight. So they like indirect and bright sunlight, and the watering is I make sure that the soil is moist all the time than dry. Okay, so you have to make sure their soil is moist. So I would say in the summertime I water once a week, and in the winter time I might gonna water about once in the 2 weeks. Okay, yeah, this is the approximate, and you can give the nutrition fertilizer in the spring and in the summer once a month or once in 2 months, which is perfectly fine. And this is, basically all you need to know about beautiful philodendron. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you like it, do not forget to thumbs up and subscribe my channel. And I am gonna definitely make a new update video of this philodendron in a few more months. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, and see you next time. Bye bye.